Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create t-shirt designs on Canva to sell. So right here in the search bar we could click on it and search for t-shirt. We can click on t-shirt here. We have the t-shirt 14 by 18. We're going to select it. Now here we have some awesome designs which we can use on our t-shirt. However, we could decide to create a blank t-shirt design if we want to make it really original. So currently we have a blank canvas, and one of the things we can do is to change the color of the canvas. So we could make it a different color. So we're going to pick one here, just make it this. Now we could go over to elements in the left sidebar here, and we could pick this one and put it here. And then we could go over to text. So right here we have some different font combinations here, and we could pick any of them. So we pick this one, we could change the text, and then we could change the font's color. Of course, with all these tools, you could make it your own, make it original. And then after you're done with whatever design you might like to have, you could go over to share and click on download. And under download, you have some file settings. We're going to leave it at PNG because that's great. We're going to make it a transparent background and click on download. So here we could save it in this folder. And now we have our shirt design. The next thing to do, of course, is to take this design and place it on any e-commerce website that we may have in order to sell it. So this is how to create a t-shirt design on Canva in order to sell it.